this for you. All right, darlings, I am so proud of you. We are creating our own chord melody for Puff the Magic Dragon, and we're gonna get halfway through verse one on this. And the important thing is we've identified the chords. C, the magic E minor dragon. F, live by the sea. C. And F, frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. That's as far as we're going to go today. So what we've been doing is finding the melody notes by ear as we're laying the chord down, because frequently the notes are already within the chord. So we don't have to do anything fancy, but we have examples here where they're not. So we're going to have to reach out a little bit beyond the chord. So we've got Puff the Magic E minor Dragon lived by the sea. And now I'm going to this little C form that looks like a G minor 7. This is a G minor 7. And I bring it up to the 3rd fret. Very pretty little C form. Let's just try that part again. 2, 3, 4. Puff the magic dragon lived. Now I'm going like this. Lived by the, look at these fingers here, lived by the, and then C, G note, and now I'm going to make an F. Frolicked, G, F. Now I'm making this little C form again. E, G, C. Because, guys, when we're making this little form here, right here under my middle finger, guess what note that is? It's an E. You want to check yourselves out? Compare it with the E string. You see that? So I'm just picking those 3 notes. The mist in a land. I'm sorry. Let's take it from the top. If I don't take it from the top, I get all screwed up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hana. So you see how I goofed and I had to check myself and find that. Land, that note is a C. Land called Hana. Land called Hana. Now this is going to be the piece de resistance right here. Lee. What note is that? Lee. Land called Hana.
D.
D. And what D do you think we're going to be going after? What
On the A
string?
string.
On
On
the
the A string.
A string, exactly. And this is the form that I love to go to. It is a D minor, it's a variation of a D minor chord. Watch this. All I'm going to do is make a D form on the 5th fret, the bottom 3 strings. Watch this. Isn't that gorgeous? And here is our melody knot. So let me just show you in context. Let's see. On a mist in a land called Hana. Leave. Beautiful. We can even do something like this. Oh my God, is that gorgeous? What did I do? What did I do? I covered all four strings and then I let go of my index finger. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's just do the whole thing again, very, very slowly. Two, three, four. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea. Two, three, and frolicked in the autumn mist. Now, mist, I've got my baby finger down here. Hold it, hold it. Make your D7 in a land called Honolulu. Let's try it one more time. And if you get lost, which we all do, and you go, oh my God, what's she doing there? Where's the melody? Then start humming the melody and find it yourself because this is what you're going to need to do when you create your own chord melodies. So, one more time: two, three, four. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Well, you got plenty to work on.
Beautiful.